All right, we got a little misfire going on here.
Misfiring.
Well, we are gonna take you on a little drive, show you what we got going on with this car. There we go, here's a noise. Ooh, you hear that? Oh, that's awesome. Here we go, we got the check engine light flashing. We got a noise in the front. There it is. We're gonna whip this in somewhere. We're gonna try and place the coil pack, see if that fixes it. This misfire at least. Coil pack. We were informed it is cylinder 2 that we need to replace. So let's get to it. Normally the only thing you're gonna need is 10 mil. Let's get to it. First thing you gotta do is pop the hood. Okay, start by grabbing your tools. Let's get this hood pop. 2, 3, 4 bolts holding this cover on. It's an Allen wrench key, but I'm not sure what size, but the T30 fits in there perfectly, and that's all I have, so that's what we're gonna try and use. Give it a trick. Just gotta get all these off here. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you don't lose these bolts either. 3, 4. 4 bolts holding the cover on. Should just pop off now. I'm gonna put the bolts in a safe spot right now. There we go. We got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. And today we have to be doing cylinder 2. Get the connector off here. We have a crack right there, which could be our problem and why cylinder 2 is misfiring here. So pop that off quick. All we got is that 10 millimeter. All right, then you just pop that out like that, like so. Yeah, it's got a big crack right down the side there, so it could be causing an arcing. Could cause it to arc there. To check these, you can run the vehicle and unplug each one by one, and if the vehicle has no idle change, then that's a coil pack that's bad. And all you really have to do is just kind of push it in, wiggle it in, line up the hole, and just put that bolt back in, plug it back in, and then call it a done day. So we gotta figure out if that was the problem with this thing. I just kind of went off of guessing from my experience, so we'll see if it fixes our problem of the misfire. Start up back at it again. Seems to be running better than ever, actually. No more jolting. Engine feels like it's firing fine. No more hesitation. So take it for a little drive and see what we got. It was a pretty good guess in my book. I just kind of winged it on that one. I figured that's what it was. Yep. Oh, much better. No more jolting. Oh, wow. It's got a lot more power than before, that's for sure. All right, we kind of jolted in there. I don't know if the transmission slipped or what, but let's see what we got going on here. Service engine light's still on. That's probably from the stored code. We'll see if it drives any better. Oh, wow. Service engine light isn't blinking anymore, so that's good. Let's see. Ooh, it's got a lot more power than it did. The spark plugs look like they were pretty new just from looking at them. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell without taking them out, but just from the looks of them, they looked like they were pretty good. So I'm not gonna bother replacing those yet. I just wanted to see if the coil pack was the problem, and it appears like it was the problem. I mean, no more service engine light. Runs great now, or at least a lot better than it did. So I'm guessing that was the problem. I'm gonna leave the top cover off because I gotta change the valve cover gasket. I was just making sure that it was gonna run great before I started dumping some money into this thing. So, catch you later.